In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a shaded region in an Excel chart. We are going to create a chart where one specific part of the data is visually highlighted with a shaded region. This is useful when you want to draw attention to a certain range on the horizontal axis while still keeping the main data line easy to read. In this example, we will use a helper column in Excel to isolate the section that needs shading, and then we will combine a line chart with a column chart. Start by clicking cell D2, which should be next to your first standard data point. This cell will be used to calculate whether the current row falls inside the region that you want to shade. The helper column is important because it tells Excel where the shaded area should appear and where it should stay hidden. With cell D2 selected, type the formula equals IF, open parenthesis, and open parenthesis, A2 greater than or equal to 2, comma, A2 less than or equal to 3, close parenthesis, comma, B2, comma, 0, close parenthesis. The full formula is A hind A2 Gaussian 2, A2 3, B2 0. This formula checks the value in cell A2. If that value is between 2 and 3, it returns the matching value from B2. If it is outside that range, it returns 0 instead. Now press Enter on your keyboard to test the condition. After you press Enter, Excel should calculate the result for that first row. If the A value in that row falls within the target range, you should see the B value appear in D2. If it does not fall within the range, you should see 0. This confirms that the helper column is working correctly. Next, click cell D2 again. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell until you see the small black plus sign. When that plus sign appears, double-click it to flash fill the formula down the column. Excel will copy the same logic into the rows below, adjusting the references automatically. This creates a series of values that only appear in the range you want to shade. Now we need to select the data that will be used for the chart. Highlight the range A1 through B4 first. This range contains the main chart data, including the horizontal axis values and the main value series. Then hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and while holding it, highlight the range D1 through D4. This adds the helper column to the selection without removing the original data range. Once both ranges are selected, go to the top ribbon and click the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps the chart tools, including line charts, column charts, and combo charts. Since we want one data series to appear as a line and another to appear as a shaded column area, we need to use a combo chart rather than a single chart type. In the Charts group, click the Insert Combo Chart icon. A drop-down menu will appear with a few preset chart combinations. From that menu, select Create Custom Combo Chart. This opens a dialog box where you can control exactly how each data series appears in the chart. In the Custom Combo Chart window, look for the series named Value. Change this series to a line chart. This keeps your original data displayed as a clean line, which will remain the main focus of the chart. Then look for the series named Shaded Area and change that series to a clustered column chart. This makes the helper data appear as vertical columns behind or alongside the line, creating the shaded region effect. If the shaded area does not line up well with the main value series, check the secondary axis box next to shaded area. This can help the column series scale separately from the line series when needed. After the chart types are set correctly, click OK to create the chart. Excel will now generate a combo chart using your selected data. The main values should appear as a line, while the target range between the selected axis values is shown with columns, creating a shaded section on the chart. That shaded region is controlled by the formula in the helper column, so only the values between 2 and 3 are highlighted. And that is all there is to it.